Now I want to discuss one. Yes, you have any doubt, guys, till now? Anyone?
No.
Okay. So now click on this and just delete this one. So here we want the most visited country in our data. So most visited country means a destination. So under this x-axis, we are using destination. Okay. And most destination country on the basis of visitors. So under this value, we are using the total visitor. This is the value, total visitor. Now see, total visitor we have, but we want most visited. So most visited means, so you have to not filter it out for all 20 destination country. We have to filter it out on the basis of only top 5 country. So go to this destination country, and here is the option of, you see, basic filtering. Select this, go to top and select here as a top 5, and top 5 on the basis of total visitor. So you can select which basis you need your value and apply filter, and see, on the basis of top 5 country, the first New Zealand is the topmost, Nepal second, Egypt third, and Colombia fourth, and China fifth destination country for our data. So click this, go to this formatting, and here you have to formatting. See, this is the x-axis. In the x-axis, I don't need this destination country, right? So go to this x-axis. Below is the option of title. This is, so you can just switch off the title and see the value is switch off. And when you switch off the title, go up. Here is a value of this type. You can change it to 11 or 10. Change the color of this one also, like white. And let me show you why I choose white. And same way in the Y column, I don't need this one. Like total visitor, I don't need. So there is a Y column also, Y axis. This is the Y axis. Click on this 9, 10, 11. Can select white. Okay. Go to down. Title, you can just switch off. Go to more down. Background off. So when you background off, the value is here. And see, here is a title. So title automatically show total visitor, but here I want to write it as most visited country. Most visited country. And when I write, I need to change the font color also, so that it will be easily showing to my data. See, most visited country, and here I don't see any number. I don't want numbering data, I want percentage data. So click on this formatting, this field tab, sorry, and here is a total visitor. Click this three arrow, show value as. When you click on show value as, there is a two option, no calculation or percentage of grand total. Always select the percentage. Always need, not always. If you need data in percentage, then only you can select. Right now I need in percentage, so I'm going to select percentage. And when it see the percentage value is here. And also go to this formatting. Here you can change the data label on. So when you data label on, click this again, go to this data color, select white, and now see the value is 20.14, 20.14, 20%, 19, and 19.18%. And see, you have to see here that these both are the Nepal and New Zealand is the same percentage, but the graph is little down. Why? Because in the New Zealand we have 20.14, here also 20.14, but what is the difference? Let me show you in tabular format. Click this. So where we have not click this, delete this, select this one, copy, and just paste. Go to down. Okay, so instead of this, you can select the table, so it is automatically in table format. And see, now it is into tabular format, and right now it's always percentage. And when you go this again, move into total visitor and see the value. 3447 and 3446, just one difference, but percentage is same. Why? Because it is little changes, very small changes in the percent numerical data. That is why that it is percentage is same, so but graph is little down. Okay, so this is your most visited country data, and this is your tabular presentation. So let me show you. This is the tabular presentation. Go to up. So instead of, if I remove here, go to this. Okay, and if I select, instead of this, if I need to select any pie chart on this basis, because you have small data, so you can select any of the pie chart. Now see, total visitor by origin country. You can take some small. Okay, go to down in the formatting, switch off the background. Okay, title, here you can write it as visitor by home country or origin country. You can write home is not visitor, not good. Number of visitor by origin. Font, you can select white. Okay, and see, there is, this is the legend. Okay, this is the legend, and if you don't want to show the legend, here is the option here. Where is the legend? This is the legend option. You can just switch off, so legend is switch off. If you want legend, and if you want legend on the basis of, there is a multiple option: top, bottom, left, right, top corner, bottom corner, left corner, or top corner. If you need on top corner, see, it should be into top corner, like this way. Okay, like this way. And if you don't need, you can just switch off this title, so your title is switch off from your data, and now only this value will be there. And one more, right now this value is showing on the numerical and number only, but in which country you have data, it is not showing. So go to this detail label. Here is the option of multiple option, like only category you want to show, data value, percentage, category. So select always all data value, all detail label. So when you select all detail label, see, the value is Cambodia. mm, it's a total numerical and percentage also. Numerical and percentage. It means category, percentage, numerical and percentage. These all. Select the white color so that it is highly. Now it is good pie chart for this. Like this. Okay, so same way you can use this also. Instead of year, you can select another table, this table, and select, see, when there's a 20, when there's a 20, like what I say, there is a lot of item. Okay, 20 or 25. You cannot use your pie chart, because pie chart is suitable for, what I say, that for 3 to 4 or 7 or minimum 5 to 6, but here is also 7, so that I can use. But for 20, pie chart is not good enough. Okay, so for this 20, either you can use any other, like this cluster bar chart. Okay, so this is suitable. If you're using this bar chart, then this is suitable, but this you can use blah bar chart. Same way, this is the bar chart, or you can use any line chart if you want. This is the line chart of your total visitor data, the complete line chart for country wise. Okay, or you can use, like, not a donut chart, it is not good. Okay, see, this one is not good for your data. Card chart is not suitable. Pie is not. You can use this stack area chart also. Okay. Another one is line and stack chart. This chart also you can use. Line chart is also you can use. Okay. So this is line chart. New Zealand, Nepal, Egypt, Colombia, or this type of chart you can use. And here is the destination country. Suppose if I remove this destination and click this age group visitor, because I need age group wise. See, the total of we have age group wise data. Select little up. Now it is this one is great. Okay, and now select this format painter and choose here. See, automatically change. Nothing you have to worry for the changes. It is automatically change. So one time you have to make the changes for the one chart or second chart. A little bit of changes. See, the value is white, and right now I don't want this value into white. I'm going to this data label, not white. I want something else. So click on this more, like yellow. This yellow is showing here. See here also the value is numerical, but I am going to show into percentage. So click this, show value as percentage. So now it is good 37. It is, go to this data label, some other color I want, like black. Yeah, black is good. Okay, so 37.58 is millennials. It means the age of millennials is the age of in our date, and also you can change the title of this one, age demographic. Title, age demographics. Okay, so this is your age-wise demographication of this data. Just select this also. Okay, and click this, copy, and just paste. So instead of this age group or visitor, if I use the gender, there is a multiple option, so you can use gender. So right now it's male and female. Male is 50.17% and male is 49.83%. Here you can change the title. Gender depth. Okay, and select this range. Select the year. Not on this basis. Okay. List. Go to this journal. Click on this vertical, horizontal. And now see the 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19. Also you can change the outline color like black, or there is a one more option here, nicer selection control. items, this one. Okay, go to this items. Font color is white, background is green. Now it is correct. One more thing, select this. You can just switch off your background. So now this one is correct. So if you select 2011, all the value is changing one by one. Select 2012, then it is changing. 2013, it is changing. 2010, changing. Okay, so like this way, this is the basic of your first page dashboard is done. Okay, so any doubt till now, guys? You have anyone?
Asha, still we have to write
Sorry?
Malaysia country wise. I mean, we have not done the minimum
No,
age of
no,
the visitor.
no, no. We have many more, right? This is not
Yeah,
done. We have many more. Don't worry. This
yeah,
is
okay,
just first stage complete.
okay.
We have many more function. It is not completed yet. But till now, you have any doubt?
Uh, Asha, can you please explain me that one more you have shown, right? The country wise.
Origin country wise. This one.
No, that one more once again you have shown on country wise Denmark. You have shown right that Denmark calculation. So
Okay,
can you
okay,
please
okay.
explain that
Yeah,
once again?
sure. Just a second. Here is a Denmark calculation.
Yeah.
Okay. So click on this Denmark. See, this is the calculation. Okay, so Denmark visitor means you have to calculate one particular country wise calculation. Okay, one particular country wise you need your data. So right now the calculate of total visitor, and we have to this function, this measure we have already calculated. So that's why we are not calculate this visitor again, because we have to use our explicit measure, and this measure we have created, these all are the explicit measure. Okay, an explicit measure is reusable for your data. Okay, reusable for your data analyzing purpose, further analyzing, because right now there is a many more condition, not this condition, we have many more. Okay, we will complete also that too. But if you need to calculate, suppose if I calculate this with another function as well, as click on new measure, but if the one step increase, if you need to increase, then see Denmark visitor, if I write it one. Okay, so calculate total visitor. So first you have to calculate total visitor. This means first how to calculate total visitor. Earlier, what is the function of total visitor? Total
So
visitor
count
means,
function we have used.
sorry, count
For
function,
total
right?
visitor, yeah.
Or distinct count. You can use count or distinct count. Distinct count, and column name you have to use your customer ID. This one, customer ID. So this value will give you the total visitor. So instead of this, we are using total visitor directly measure. Instead of calculation this, we are using this function automatic. So if I plot it, see, this is the total measure we have created. This is the total measure we have created, total visitor. Under this total visitor, we have making a filter and filter it on the basis of country table. Country table and then Denmark. And see the answer for this also. Select this. Select this. And see the answer is same for both the things. Dim visitor, here we have to use this is the total visitor one, and dim Denmark visitor another function. Here we have used only the total visit. Under this we have using total visitor measure and filter it on the basis of country. And suppose if you need to one more filter on this, like right now here is only for dim country wise, and you need to, if you need to filter one more, so you can one more filter into this, like here if I want to use dates table of only dates table filter, and dates under this I want to use as year.
Yeah.
So here is dates year, which is the column. This is the column dates year, and here I want to write in which year I want to filter. Suppose I want 2010 filter only for Denmark country. Then first filter, second, okay, and then just enter. So this function will give you the 2010 of Denmark country visitor only, not whole Denmark, only in 2010. And let me show you how. See, the right now answer is 3375. Let me check. This is the answer. And where is the next? See, the answer is 262. If you need to check 2010 for Denmark visitor, select this table. Okay, you can select year also from this table, or select this. Under this column, use this year. See, in 2010 of Denmark is 262. See, so now this answer is automatically done. Denmark 262. And if you need to calculate for 2014 of this Denmark, you have to just change. See, if you select 2014, this is blank because this value is blank, right? And same way, if you click on here, you need multiple filter, not for 2010, 2014 also. You can just enter. Okay, or any doubt? See, this should be.
So we can write instead of I mean we can write 2010 to 2000 complete 19, right? That one also will work here.
Yeah, you can write anything 2010 to 2019 in which you have data. You can write anything, but your data should be there. Okay,
Yeah.
without data, how to
Instead
write?
of writing, yeah, correct. Instead of writing single year, so if we have a 2 years means 2010 and 2011. If we have 5 to 10 means we can write like 2010 to 2019.
Yeah, you can write it.
Uh,
Okay. Any other doubt? Anyone? See, this kind of dashboard we have prepared. This is hotel reservation dashboard, like project. It's a 2010 to 2019. Total visitor for 2010 only is 4797. If you click on 2015, so it should be changes year by year. See, click on 2012, this value is changes. So this is your total summary part. Okay, this is not a complete dashboard project. This is just a summary part. Your dashboard is done for the summary part. And now we have multiple pages. Like first we have to use origin wise, then demographic, gender wise. Okay, and you can use 1 or 2 pages more so that we can use multiple filter, like in page 1, in page 2, this one. Just delete this, remove. And here is a condition of suppose female visitor. See, right now in our data, if I click on this dashboard and select this to all total data, so total in data we have 66 and 535 is a total visitor. But if you need to calculate only female visitor, then how to calculate? It is very simple. Click on this new measure. Two function you have to remember always: calculate and filter. This is very important for all the project. Mostly calculate and filter using, but there is a lot of function I will show you in just second. Female visitor. Okay, so female visitor means you have to calculate your female visitor only. Calculate, you have to write it total visitor. Okay, and just filter it out on the basis of gender wise. And in gender wise, you have a table, suppose fact table. Under this fact table, you have gender column. So this is gender column, and here you can write as female. Okay, so this is your female visitor. Same way on the male, you can, instead of female, you can use male only. Nothing is changed, only this value is changed. Guys, just a minute, I am putting charger on it. And see, when I click this, copy and just paste, select here. Where is female visitor? This one. Change the value. See, the total of female is 33 and 387. Click this female visitor and change the formatting, like denominator changes 33 and 387. Like this you can change. Only change the heading. Female visitor. And see in the 2015, how many is a visitor? This is total visitor. Out of this, female is 3136. 2012 changes together, all the things. Okay, and if you select this total, so total female is 33,387 in our data. And if you need to change the percentage, like you have to put the percentage, then female divided by total visitor, this is your total percentage, and percentage will be this one, 50.17. This one is the percentage. Okay. And one more thing, click this page 2. Here is Malaysia country wise visitor. Okay, so how to calculate now? You can tell me Malaysia country wise, because same way if we calculate by Denmark, same way Malaysia, instead of Denmark you can change the value of change the function of Malaysia only. That's it. Here you can change the Malaysia only. New measure. But you have to remember one thing, spelling should be same. Like if the letter is first letter is small, then you have to make it is small. Otherwise it is not working. Or you can just write it as New Zealand. And this filter I am going to hiding only New Zealand visitor I want. So just enter. The end of input total visitor filter. I think spelling is mistake. New Zealand. Let me check. Dim destination country, New Zealand. Calculate filter, destination country, New Zealand. Okay, we have to check the spelling, maybe spelling mistake. NEWZ. Total visitor filter. Let me collect again. Sometimes Power BI is getting error. New Zealand. Calculate total visitor filter. Table is BIM destination. Under this destination country, and you have to write it. Okay, so now it's done. When you click here, 3447. Okay, so if you select this table, New Zealand 3447, the value is here. Like this way, you have to make your project little bit of complete. Okay, so guys, I am sending you this project today so that you can make your project, and right now it's just one page and you have to make almost 2 or 3 pages as per your little bit knowledge, because we have some more function we need to calculate. Like in this page 2, this is clear hotel, total hotel, you this is the homework for you. This here, this 4 5, this 5 you have to homework, because this 5 I have already calculated here. Okay, female or male, this one calculated, this is already calculated. So this you have to complete this project, and then when you complete, after that one more session for this project like hotel reservation, we have to calculate some advanced function on this, and then we have to complete this project in the next class. Okay, so any other doubt guys you have? Abhishek, Saloni, you have any doubt?
Like,
Oh, Harsh, I don't have any doubt.
Okay, so I will share that file to you all, and after the recording also I will share, and then you can make
Okay.
practice and share, submit that file with me on before Friday. Okay, so that I can watch your file and what is the error, then I can cover in the next class on Saturday. Okay.
Yeah, sure. We'll cover that thing. Actually, do when you are explaining all the things that time, I'm getting, but when I'm going for a creation at that time, I'm getting some problems that I will discuss in next session.
Okay, no worry. You can discuss me with any time. Also, you can call me. Okay. You can
Okay,
call
okay,
me
no
also
issue.
in mid, but yeah, call me after 12. Okay, because before 12 I was busy. So call me after 12 if you have any doubt.
No
Okay.
issue. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys.
how
Yes.
to, yeah, sure.
Yes.
How
Tell
to
me.
represent this? I mean, how to share this project? I mean, after